What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a Loving Mondays vlog. It's been a while. A few things have changed. Really one thing, and that's my hair. I chopped it all off. It is lighter, it is brighter. I love it. My sister-in-law, and I'll put her Instagram handle here, Clarissa, she does my hair and she's really great at doing it. She does a fantastic job. So basically, yeah, I just did like a blunt bob and added a lot of blonde back into it, so I just feel fun and I feel like my hair represents me really well. It's like my ambassador to the world, you know. It's the first thing people see about you, so I feel great. Today I'm going to be doing something very exciting because I have been following Lisa Eldridge, who is a professional makeup artist. She's world-renowned for, honestly, probably almost a decade. I have been gawking over her work. I have been looking for something to kind of change up my makeup look, and I feel like lipstick is a really great way to do that. And her lipsticks are freaking beautiful. So here's the thing, okay? I got this package in the mail and it has been sitting in my house for almost a week and I have not opened it. I mean, I opened the box, but that was literally it. I didn't even let myself open the velvet pouch that these lipsticks come in. That's her symbol right there. It's a L with lips. It's adorable. So here I go. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try them on. First, you should know that it's really awesome because all of her materials inside these boxes are recyclable. Especially in cosmetics, there's a lot of waste. And with the dawn of YouTube and influencers, people have been, you know, sending out these elaborate packages where little to none of it is actually useful material. So she, you know, made it a point when she released these that, like, this box is recyclable, the tissue paper is recyclable, and recycle it. This velvet pouch is what her lipsticks come in. She's just like a classy, beautiful woman. I really like her. So the little zipper has, again, her little insignia there, and when you open it, which this is the first time I'm opening it, what do we have? What do we have? I kind of forgot what colors I got. I got a set of 3 lipsticks, I should say. So it just has her little symbol here again, which is very cute. And then we have the 3 lipsticks. Okay, so let's first just take these out of the boxes. I can hold one in my hand. That's like a weighty lipstick. They're magnetic. This one is called Velvet Decade. Ooh, and this is what I want to see in real life. Holy crap. That is so cool. So they're called the Velvets because the actual side of the lipstick resembles velvet. That is so beautiful. Wow. That is beautiful. This one is Velvet Ribbon. I think this is the red one because I wanted to get a red lipstick and this set had a red in it. Oh, yes. Look at the side of that. Oh my gosh. Wow. They're like beautiful little treasures. This is Velvet Muse, which is like a pinky, muted mauve color. These are so cool. We're gonna go light to dark. So let's do Velvet Muse first. So last time it's gonna be perfect. here we go. So I'm gonna put this on. Oh, I don't want it. It's so sad. Okay, so this is Velvet Muse. Let's zoom in a bit. So this is like a nudish kind of color. These feel like so, ooh, where are we? There we are. They feel so incredibly soft. Very pretty. Okay, the next color I'm gonna do is called Velvet Ribbon, and it's this beautiful red. So I get kind of nervous with reds. I feel like they're high maintenance, and I don't really enjoy wearing lipstick for that reason. Everyone at my work is sick right now, and I'm drinking ginger, black pepper, turmeric juice to try and avoid it. Okay, so reds I feel are very scary sometimes, but I trust that Lisa Eldridge's red is going to be fabulous. So here we go. Okay, now the thing about reds is my lips are not perfect. Most people's are not. So what may be helpful is to just have a brush on hand, just to be like your backup. Ooh, this is the type of red too that really makes your teeth look great, because it's a blue red, so it's not going to cling on to any yellow. Okay, so that is Velvet Ribbon. Okay, so I cleaned the Velvet Ribbon off, and the last one we're going to try is Velvet Decade. This color is beautiful. I think I'm gonna like it, but I view myself as someone who has relatively small lips, or at least just uneven lips. Like my bottom lip is like way bigger than my top lip. So sometimes with colors like these, it can make your lips look a little smaller when the color is darker. So we're gonna see how this pairs with my coloring and my lips and everything. So let's just go into it. This is Velvet Decade. Okay, so hold on. It's there. Now, what I think I need in order to like really pull this off is more blush on me, because this is kind of giving me like slightly goth vibes, very high-end goth. But I just feel like I need a little something to pull it all together. So I'm going to use just a little bit of this NARS Sin blush that I have, which has some darker, there we go, some darker berry tones in it. Ooh, that's pretty actually. I haven't used this blush in a while. And I think this will help me feel like this is all coming together. I think it's a beautiful color. I think it's very classic. Again, it has a lot of kind of bluish tones in it, so it's actually making my teeth appear to be even, you know, more white than I could hope for. It will just take me a little bit of time to get to know my lips better and know the shape of them and where to kind of blend and put the color so I'm getting the best application, because like I said, I don't normally wear so much on my lips. I tend to focus more on my eye makeup, so I'm just not familiar with my lip shape. I know they're uneven, but I'm not really sure like where the unevenness is. But I think this color is actually, it is growing on me a bit more. I think especially with light hair too, the contrast is really, really pretty. So overall, I am just, you know, in the British old way, chuffed to bits to own this. One thing that I definitely know from wearing these lipsticks right off the bat is that they're not drying. I feel like I could just like endlessly rub my lips together and it's not going to get like crackled or gross. It's going to stay very fresh throughout the wear, but even from taking off the other couple colors, they definitely have grip and good staying power, so that's really awesome. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, because I'm sure by this point you already have, if you're not one of my like 8 subscribers that already has subscribed. But seriously, thanks for joining me and watching this. If you are interested in lipstick, I highly recommend, if there's even any left, that you check out Lisa Eldridge's. At least check out her Instagram, see the kind of work she does. Check out her website, lisaeldridge.com, I believe. And she also has a really awesome YouTube channel where she does mostly educational, tutorial-based videos, but they're not like the standard influencer video where you're just like plunged into the drama. It's actually educational and informative and comprehensive makeup tutorials for women of all ages, which is awesome. So thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Have a very well day, and I will see you soon. Bye.